Good morning. This is Linda Cromar. I wanted to share something with you that I think you'd find pretty cool. This is especially for my team and anybody that wants leads in their own system and would like to actually create leads on a regular basis. This is the free lead system. I actually opted in from my own link so I could have my own copy of it so I can show you what it looks like on the inside. It has its own little um, thing in here that shows you how to get started and your own contacts. Your leads are right here. Although my leads are not showing in here because I have Power Lead System, which is the mother system this comes from. So you have all of these links. One of the things that's pretty cool is you have a way that you can actually create your own system. And this is exactly what I did over the weekend to actually generate 20 leads just from this system. And also, I have 3 sales that were upgrades to the next system, which is called Lead Lightning. So, what I did is exactly this. I grabbed one of these links, it doesn't make any difference which one, and I put it on Facebook. I did not do anything fancy. I did not do anything else except for that. I put it up there. I did one thing that's different than what it suggests, though. Instead of using the link immediately, which is what most people do, I actually just posted it like this. I post the link. I post that little text and need leads, get red hot leads in 24 hours or less. And then what I did after this is what is key. Now, this only works with our system. I don't believe that I can guarantee that it works with any other system. And this is a free system, so you really don't have anything to lose. So definitely ask me for the link and I will give it to you. I'm not putting it on here. You're going to have to ask for it. So anyway, what I said after this is comment free. Notice I did something to make that stand out. If you want it. And that's it. I did not make a special picture out of it or anything like that. I just simply did this. Now, let me show you some of the results. I have to go back to yesterday. So I posted that picture this morning. For instance, here's one that I actually posted 16 hours ago. I did this a couple of times this week, this whole weekend. I think I started on Friday. I might even start on Thursday. And I've used various different ones, but the main thing is that I'm telling them they have to ask for it. Here's the key. Here's people that have actually asked for it. Okay, now I'm going to go back a little further. Here's another one I posted, a little bit different wording. Here's more people that are asking for it, and this was today that late last night that they responded. Now, how easy can this be, actually? Some people are not, I'm noticing pictures don't work. These are text links. You can actually send them to your text contacts, but I did this as a Facebook post. Here's another one I did. And look at this, 24 comments and several likes, but mainly comments. Now, the comments are not just, some of them are me responding, but the majority of these comments are people saying, I want it. They're writing in here, see? People that are actually saying, I want it. That is what is key here. All of these people said, I want it. So when you get that kind of response on Facebook, do you think it might be kind of cool? And do you think you could do this too? I know you can. This is the inside training of exactly what I did and how you can do it too. And all you simply have to do now is to say, I want it. I want the system. Give it to me. I want it now. I don't care what you say. Just message me by simply putting a comment underneath the video, just like you see here, and you will get the system as well. That is it. Bye for now.